Hey, buddy. What are you eating there?
I was just looking
A cupcake thing? How you doing? Hey, what you got there? Let's go outside. Hey, Trevor.
Who gave you a tampon?
I had this.
Here you go.
Cookie head. Who gave you?
Where's that fire, son? Or that's that what?
Hey, let's go outside, Zeb. Come on. You know I'm taping you, right, Zeb? That was wonderful for the tape, Zeb. That was actually wonderful. Say hi to all the folks watching this video of the burping Zeb. No, we should name this video the burping Zeb. Good title.
Yummy.
Yummy, yes. Very yummy. What happened here? What's going on? Someone going nuts?
Are you okay?
Come on, Eagle.
What's wrong? Tell me you get out.
There's monkeys out there. There's monkeys. Let's go look at the monkeys here. We speak. All I see is a fire. I don't see any monkeys.
They come out at mornings.
Hey, no, please, Mikey, do not do that. This costs about $120. Come on, man. What are you doing?
Alright, listen, dude.
So, you're number 99, right? What? Number 99, huh? Alright. Pretty good. You having a good time? Alright.
Well, I saw you earlier.
What is it?
Where's the trash can?
To be showing us.
These things
This.
need a quarter.
Fascinating.
Need a quarter.
Quarter.
Do you know where trash can is, Justin?
Hey.
Hello, Noah.
Hey, Shella.
Hello.
Wow, look at all this yummy stuff. You're right there. Tapping your stomach. Let's go.
You're recording,
Let's go outside. Yes. There's monkeys out there. There's monkeys out there. Hey, okay, let's watch the video. No, you can't go out there. Seriously, there's monkeys. Okay, let's watch the video. Fred? Yeah, we're done.
Hey, do this.
Please, that's annoying.
I took my stairs.
Let's watch the video.
Hold on, man. Come on. You're going nuts. Last time I told you I had a camera, you were just like, yeah, come on. See you later. Now you're going nuts. What are you doing? Chug, 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 chug. Whoa. Is that fire? Whoa. Can I touch it? Yeah. Or kill yourself. Ouch, that hurt. No, you didn't even touch it.
You get away from the fire.
Hi. Hi there. What, you want to see yourself? Yeah. Fascinating. Alright, you really want to see the video? Yes. Alright, go on. Go. Where did you sit before? Alright. That'll be funny. Hi. Hey. You have blue eyes right now. What's that? Let me see myself. Please. Yo, get away from me! Why am I on up?
He was talking about
Is there monkeys? There's one. Hi. I am Zappa. Hi.
Yeah. Because like some of the things.
I'll be back. With weapons. Dude, you just got rocked, man. That just got rocked, man. Good job, man. You guys are rocked. What the heck? That was a classic, man. That's so deep.
Guys, you're a zombie.
Crazy monkey. The match of the crazy monkeys. Very intimidating. You're hitting. No. You stay away. Get out of the way. You want to fight me? You want to fight? Hello everybody, Grandpa Ken just got me this. I opened it up. It's a little thing where you have to look through stuff and see all of it.
Chemistry set.
It's a chemistry set.
Microscope.
Microscope. It's a lobster. Stuff to check out on. Got tools over there. Real tools. Let me show you the thing you look through. Ken's trying to mess with it, trying to see if we can do it. That's the thing you look through. You get the eyepiece on?
Yeah, but I don't know how to put this extension on there. See, this comes off like this.
Oh. Awesome. Let's look at Joey real quick. Hey, Joey. Hey, Joey. Oh, look at you.
No, turn that off, man.
There's Tay. You're riding in her car? Hi, Tay. Hello, Tay.
Where's that shirt on?
You're being recorded. You're being recorded, Tay. This is your first time ever being recorded.
Being what?
Recording you.
It's being silly.
You told me to videotape her when she first comes in.
Yeah, it said that she'd really appreciate it if you did that. I was being sarcastic.
Oh.
Ready? It's recording? Alright, now I'm about to open my present. What is it?
What is it?
Over the hedge! Is this a DVD?
Oh, Over
or
the
a
Hedge, the
game?
movie.
Or a movie?
The one that we saw together.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. I love you.
Love you, pal.
What else did you get today? Did you open more stuff today?
Yeah, I'll show you the other thing that I opened before that. I'll put this in our games.
This was my present. It's a truck. It goes like this.
Where'd you get that truck from?
Trish and Sal and Uncle Sal and my cousins.
Sal and Aunt Trish?
Ah,
No?
and it has an
Uncle
helicopter.
Sal and Aunt Trish?
Yeah,
Oh, you didn't get me for Christmas. Don't put the camera on.
and I got. It does
You were
this.
able to.
Look, it has a light.
That's
And-
a 1 out of 12 collector's item. The entire state of Florida. And you
Yeah,
open it, so it's ruined for life. That's how it-
and this is what it does. It flies.
Cool. You were able to see Dominic and Louie today too, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's cool. And the fish too, right?
Yeah. Let's look at the fish. Hold on, let me turn this off.
That's a really cool present that they got you.
Yeah. Let's look at the fish. Where's the fish? And here's a fish ornament.
What's the story with the fish?
The story with the fish is if somebody was in danger and they were a Christian, they would draw one half of the sand with their foot, and then the other person would draw another one.
And that's how they knew that they were Christians, right?
Yeah.
Yep, that's the Christian fish.
Yeah. Yep. That's all for today, folks. See you back on Bay News 9 after this. Hello. We're at another restaurant.
There you go. Yeah.
Hello.
Are you recording right now, Serena?
Yes.
What's up, big? How you doing?
Hello.
How you doing?
Didn't I see you yesterday?
Yes, you did. Or just
Yes.
the other day.
Never kill you.
That's very nice.
I like the camera.
What are you doing, my friend?
Recording the all cruise.
Hello, please. Oh, thank
So
you.
sweet. What do you got?
Hey,
What is this?
look at this wrapping paper here.
You didn't
Oh, look at the bow.
give me a card for.
Beautiful.
No, I forgot.
See what this says here. Let's see. Tuna
It's very, very
from
sweet. of you.
Vidal.
Do you mind if I open it?
Thank
on
you, my
Christmas?
friend.
Or do you want me to open it now? Well, because I don't have much to open on
They
Christmas.
probably-
Is that okay? Or,
Just open the Spider-Man one.
I mean, did you not want me to wait?
Just open one.
I appreciate that.
You never open
That's the
one.
rule of a dad, sir. You give and get, and you get like, you know.
Oh, just got our food.
You better not be recording.
Yes, smarter
People are trying to get their food. They don't want to be bothered by your camcorder.
Hello.
Get out of here with your hand.
Look what we got here. Take a drink.
All right, good. Get off and eat, please. Seriously, Noah, come on. People are trying to enjoy the food.
This is my present I just opened.
Beyonce, Maria, Chris.
Look what that is. It's a shirt. Look at this. This one says home run. Here, let me show you it. Look here. It says home run.
Yeah.
See? Long sleeve too. Hold that up for us. Look at that. Nice and sharp. Let's look at the other one.
Hey, Sal, let me call you back, all right? Oh, what's going on?
Oh, look at that one. Nice and good. Put it back. Look at the wonderful trees. Look at this, look at this. We have 3 pennies now. See? 1, 2, 3. What does that spell? 3. Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Hello. One of them is new. Ah. My name is Noah. And we are home! Finally! Oh, look. Home is right here. This is home, that huge building, that's home.
Are you recording again?
Yeah.
Okay. This present I'm about to open says, to Noah from Dad. I love you.
Oh,
See
how
what we
sweet.
got here.
You can ask Uncle Matt about some stories about our childhood.
This is hard to open. This is gonna be hard to open.
It's a fascinating story, by the way.
Yeah.
Don't you ask Uncle
What
Matt
is
about
it? What is it? What is it? Oh, I'm so excited. What is it?
If you can't sleep in there, it's okay.
Robots. What is this? The game?
Oh, that's what you wrote down on your Christmas list.
Oh, thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, buddy.
Look. Look. See? Robots. Look.
Very cool.
Thank you, Daddy.
I love you.
Me too. Let me look at it. You see? Looky. See? Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're at Grandma Kathy's house.
You recording right now, sir?
Yes. Where
Hey,
are
look,
the
there's a
catties?
cat.
Hey, kitty.
It's Oranja.
Hello, kitty.
She grew some of her hair back. That's good.
She grew some of her hair back.
Is Matt here? Oh, is that you? Oh, that's nice. That's very nice.
Look, Dad.
Is this
Dad,
just out right
look,
now
she likes
for the time
me.
being, or are you gonna have both of them out?
Dad, she likes me.
She likes you, huh?
Yeah.
Keep petting her for about 2 minutes, see how much she likes you. Where? Matt's in there? I just want to be sitting.
What? Huh? He's sleeping.
Matt's trying to sleep. Oh, poor the kid, he's trying to sleep.
Which is fighting very aggressively. I was very surprised when he saw the main tennis off in the battle.
Look at all these presents.
And he seems
Hey, look at all these.
You guys have been cooking all day?
started.
Oh, really? What are you doing? You having a dinner tonight and tomorrow? Or what are you?
I'm starting the sauce for tomorrow, but
Oh, you are? Who are you having over?
The last 5 yards. 5-yard line.
That's good. He's a lucky guy.
In
Guys
terms
are
of
good
which,
football
Jason said he
there.
might come by after he goes there.
I mean, I can certainly
Oh, okay.
hear and say.
Yeah, it's no big organized thing or something.
Right.
Last 5 yards.
Look at that wonderful wreath.
Why don't you save some of that recording space? You got the chart.
Hello.
Starting or sitting next year, but if you
Record the lovely thing that's wrong.
Hello,
That's what we
everybody.
shot. That's good.
Let's look at the Ranja. Hello, Ranja.
I think so. You guys,
Hello,
you guys
friendy.
are gonna make some for tonight, right? You guys don't come up here too? I don't think we are. Oh, then why so long?
What's the view?
Mom, why are you making like a 5-course meal if there's just gonna be Matt?
What? I'm making this for tomorrow. You got
Oh.
to start the sauce tomorrow. Day ahead.
Ahead of time.
Oh, yeah.
I did for real.
So you bring them out here?
Hello, everybody. Oh, looky, presents. Presents, friends.
Are you guys waiting till tomorrow? Or
Those for me.
Yeah, we will.
I'm just waiting tomorrow.
Let's see. Oh, look at those. Thank you, friends. Thank you.
Oh, there's a bunch for Noah from you.
Upside down. Look at that. 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 Look it. Look at. Look it. Hey, Ranji. Hello, my one-eyed friend. Look at this. Look at this. This is exciting. Look. Look. Let's look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. Look. Look at this. Hey, Matt, you got a present. And I got 2, see? Good job, man. Thank you. That's wonderful when you do that. Hello. Ow.
What does it say, Noah?
I don't know. From Jason.
From Uncle Jason and soon to be Aunt Michelle?
Yeah.
How come you didn't put Uncle there? You got your title? What's the matter? Oh.
Who do I open them?
I was impressed that Jason would have wrote something. That's pretty good.
No.
Hey, I'm John.
Yeah, go ahead, open them, Noah.
Fine. And this one's ripped.
Well,
Oh,
that's right. Your jeans are also ripped, Noah.
Yeah, Zoe tried to.
Did she?
No, we just take it out.
Oh man, whatever's in there, Zoe wants it.
maybe it's dog treats.
Oh my
How'd you guess?
It's really dog treats.
Some
Ooh, it's something.
What is it, buddy?
Ooh, it's a car racing game.
It's more than one game.
And that's...
What is it?
I don't know what this game is.
Dragon Ball Z and Corvette.
Oh, cool.
2 games we don't have. That is cool.
Cool.
Go give some lovin'. That's your uncle, not your friend.
You're welcome.
That's great. Why are you calling them friends, Elliot?
Because I'm a stupid nuggy head. That's why, friend.
All right. He's a good kid, man.
Thank you, Zoe.
That's awesome.
Ooh, it's another game.
No, it's from Zoe.
It's another game. Team rating.
Zoe gave it to you and then tried to open it.
Yeah. Ooh, another game.
Really?
Which one is this?
Man.
Two of these. Ooh,
What is
the
it?
bike one. Bike one.
Oh, that's awesome. Is it a bike game?
Look, a platform one.
What's it called?
Black Boston.
So you got 4 video games?
Yeah, cool, man.
That is cool.
Thank you, friends.
That's your uncle. Unc?
Thank you, friend. Thank you, friend. Yeah. Look. This one. This one. This
Why don't you like put it in like impossible places for me to find? You okay?
This one.
Did you show that game already? Very good. Merry Christmas, Mr. Noah. Merry Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas. Now turn it off.
You got a cough still, huh? What is that? What do you have?
Yeah, I got a present.
What is it? Who's it from?
I used to do it in the microwave.
Yeah. I've never heard of that. We always baked
Grandma
ours,
Kathy?
and he did
You
it.
tell Grandma Kathy you're ready to open a present?
Yeah.
I don't think she knows yet.
Grandma Kathy.
It's Grandma, not Grandpa.
Grandma Kathy.
You'd say like Grandma Kathy looks like a dude.
He's got the Hulk game, doesn't he?
The Hulk game? No, not with. He's got it at his mom's for Xbox
At my grandma's house.
or whatever his system.
Yeah, I was gonna get him that game, but I figured he had it.
Ooh. X-Men. X-Men.
That's the first X-Men movie.
Yeah.
Now you have part 1 and part 2.
No, man. Thank you, friend.
That's Grandma Kathy.
Thank you, friend.
There's 2 more presents from Grandma Kathy over there.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah.
You got a minute left to recording space.
Fine, stop it.
You got a hold of that one too?
Let's see. Who's this from? 2 more from Grandma Kathy. Look.
Alright, you got less than a minute, man.
Oh, this is that Nerf thing.
That's Toys R Us. Grandma Kathy knew exactly what you wanted.
How did you know? You're a mind reader.
Yeah.
Friend. You're a mind reader, friend.
Alright. You got one more present and less than a minute to go, so if you want it on tape, you better hurry up.
Real quick.
What do you got with that? What do you got there, Noah?
Another present.
From who?
Let's see. Where's it say from you?
I believe it's from Grandma Kathy without a label.
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Okay, let's open it. Oh, look, my rocking tape.
How you doing there, Grandma?
Oh, cool, look. It's those cards from Toys R Us, too.
Boy, Grandma Kathy just knows everything you want.
You're super mind reader. Thank you, friends. Thank you, mind reader friends. Hey!
That's great, huh, Noah?
Oh, look. Cars.
How awesome. Be furious. That's great.
They even come with extra wheels.
Do they?
Or tires.
Yeah, they do. Wow. That's great, huh, Noah?
Yeah.
Thank you for being very clean.
Thank you, friend.
Sure.
Friend. Yeah, come on. I'm good with you. Come on.
Merry Christmas to you, Noah Head.